From zero to hero, big data secrets revealed. Hello, and welcome to Easy Brizi. If you're interested in understanding the big, bold world of big data in a simplified way, then you're in the right place. Today we're revealing secrets that'll take you from zero to a big data hero. But before we start, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you won't miss any of our future exciting videos. What is big data? So, what exactly is big data? Imagine a massive, global library that's constantly expanding with new books every second. These books represent all sorts of information: your online shopping preferences, the weather patterns for the last decade, millions of tweets. Everything! Big data is like a constantly expanding global library of information. Importance of big data. Why is big data important? Think of it like a crystal ball. Companies can look into this ball, understand your needs better, and tailor their products accordingly. It's like magic, but it's real. Without big data, you are blind and deaf in the middle of a freeway. Jeffrey Moore. Getting started with big data. Okay, let's get you started on your big data journey. Think of it like baking a cake. First, you define what kind of cake you want, your goals, then gather your ingredients, data, and finally, mix and bake it all, analyze data. And voila! Your big data cake is ready to be served. Starting with big data is like baking a cake. Define your goals, gather data, and analyze. Big data tools. There are numerous tools to help you in your big data journey. Some of these are Hadoop, Spark, and Tableau. Just like different kitchen appliances help you cook better, these tools make managing big data simpler. Big data tools are like kitchen appliances. They make the job easier. Big data secrets revealed. Ready for some secrets? One thing many don't realize is how crucial the quality of data is. It's like cooking. The better your ingredients, the tastier the dish. Data is the new oil. It's valuable, but if unrefined, it cannot really be used. Clive Humby. Inspirational case studies. Here are a couple of stories where companies turn big data into big success. Netflix, for example, used big data to understand viewer preferences and create hit shows like House of Cards. Cool, right? Big data can lead to big successes, like Netflix's House of Cards. Conclusion. To summarize, big data is like a huge, ever-growing library, and using it wisely is like glimpsing into a crystal ball. Start your journey like baking a cake. Remember that data quality matters, and who knows, you might cook up the next big thing. Thank you for watching, and remember, everyone starts at zero. But with some knowledge, you can become a big data hero. This is Easy Brizi, signing off. See you in the next video. Like, subscribe, ring the bell. If you want to learn more, check out our other videos on the screen. Don't forget to follow us on our social media channels. Stay curious, stay awesome. Watch other videos, follow on social media.